Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, we will learn how to create a list box in Power Apps. So, this is the blank canvas app. First, go to the insert, from the control, search as list box. Now, select the list box and go to the items property. In this items property, provide the following value. So, first remove this, start the bracket like Sony TV, LG, OnePlus, close the bracket. Now insert a text label. So click on that. Select the text label and go to the text property. Here enter the following formula. First, list box 1 dot selected items, close the bracket, dot value. This formula will display the selected item from the list box in the label. Now I want to add a color to a text label. On the right hand side, go to the properties panel where you can add a color. So click on that. I want to add this color. So color is visible here. Now click on preview to run the app. If I selected Sony TV, you can see it displayed in the label. And if I want to see a LG in the text label, so again click on Sony TV and then click on LG. Now LG is visible in the label. A list box allows users to select one or multiple values from a list, which is very useful for filtering and data selection in Power Apps. So in this video, we learned how to create a list box, add item to it, and display the selected value using a label in Power Apps. Thanks for watching.